raining.
Yeah. It's kind of epic here, even when it's wet. Shit weather. So this is basically a way of, probably not doing it that well, but mixing cement when your power is off. And you can't mix cement with a cement mixer. So just basically done this metal stud work. We this morning put in a board above here, which we cast the cement in the middle between our two beams. And we just put in the window onto the stud work. Yet to exactly know how to seal it all up, but I'm sure the mysteries will just unravel as soon as we start doing work on it. But yeah, need to get the glass, but it looks really cool. Amazing view. It's really nice that, I mean, it's on the inside, but then when you're just standing away from the window, it doesn't crop any of your view, even with the window shut, compared with the actual hole in the wall. So pretty sweet. Oh, I see.
To hold, so
you cannot just have a bolt and expansion.
You could also do it.
Yeah. So now we're trying to work out how to build the roof, whether you use iron structure or wood structure, and try and work out which is easiest.
So 8 by 16. This is 8.
Yep.
16.
Okay. This is not too far to put a bolt into concrete.
No.
Okay.
If not, you couldn't do the work with the iron.
Oh, I see. But if you used bolts, it would possibly be okay. Would that work?
Okay, but the beam has to be reposing.
So when eventually the concrete is here,
yeah.
Where does the beam sit? Is it sit in here? Is it sit in here?
Yeah, the beam, of course, is sitting here, and here you are joining.
Yeah.
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 But all of this has to be filled. Also, you will have to go
in between. I
in
see.
between.
Oh, okay. The big aim is to have the structure.
Yeah.
And then if some things which might take a little bit more time to work. I've been resting about 1 day a week from the building work, and this was the rest day, so me and Ez went climbing. So amazingly, Third Rock have managed to deliver to this house in Spain. It's unbelievable because almost everything else ends up at DHL depot or something in another town. Pretty cool. I'm excited to see what we got. Oh nice, a good selection of t-shirts. So also now they got these shorts, the Rocketeer shorts, which are swim shorts, climbing shorts and hiking around shorts, which are pretty damn cool. A collection of their really cool new t-shirt designs. Another pair of basically my two favourite trousers, which are the Mercury jeans. Basically you can wear them in the city, at a business meeting, on the rocks. They're really great. So the great thing about Third Rock is it's all organic, super environmental, cool designs, and they're not made by slaves. They're made by people with, you know, fair pay, good wages, all the rest of it. So yeah, if you are thinking about getting climbing clothing, I would consider getting clothing from companies which are ethical, care about the environment, care about their workforce. And Third Rock is pretty much the best for climbing clothing in that respect. So just got the beams delivered. These are going to go across the whole front of like the kitchen dining room. Pretty cool. These will just go across, and in the middle they just fill it. Fairly heavy, I think about 180 kilos each. So we've taken out the wooden beams, built up this with new sand cement. We've left in these supports on the inside beam, and then we're going to put wood in underneath this, wedge it in, and then fill with cement. And the impact it has on this view, it's going to be amazing.
Well, that's it. Progress as always. See you next week.
Nate Murphy's Venture Show.
Yeah, that's